First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Press Apply this fix. Wait for the program to repair Windows Update. Close the troubleshooter and restart. If that didn't work, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the program for your own Windows version. Open the program you just downloaded. Press Next. Press Try troubleshooting as admin. Press Next. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Close the troubleshooter, restart, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wow serve and then press Enter. Type netstop crypt svc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/software distribution.old and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 and then press enter. Type net start wowserve and then press enter. Type net start bits and then press enter. Type net start crypt svc and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Open Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 1111. In alternate DNS type, 1001. Press OK. Close the window and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Recovery Options. Open Recovery Options. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Press System Restore. Select your account. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Now your PC should be restored.